Hi guys, it's me Afshin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a magic trick. We need a Rubik's cube to perform a magic trick. Here's the Rubik's cube. It's a 3 by 3 Rubik's cube, and now let's perform the magic trick. First, we are going to make the Indian flag. Now let's do it. Now here it is the Indian flag. This is how it will be in a Rubik's cube. Also the capital of India is New Delhi. What country is next? Let's see in this iPad. Oh, do you know what country this is? This is Russia. Let's do Russia. And now Russia's done. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Let's see the next country we are going to do. Oh, do you know what country this is? This country is Argentina. Let's do Argentina. Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Now let's do the next country. Oh, do you know what country this is? It's France. Let's do France. And this is France. The capital of France is Paris. Now the next country. This is Nigeria. Let's do Nigeria. And here it is Nigeria. The capital of Nigeria is Abuja. Now the next country, let's go for it. Now this is Netherlands. Let's do Netherlands. Now this is Netherlands. The capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam. Next country. Oh yeah, this is Austria. This is not Australia, this is Austria. Let's do Austria. Now here is Austria. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Let's go to the next country. This is Ireland. Now I'm going to do Ireland. Here's Ireland. The capital of Ireland is Dublin. It's also good that you can learn the capitals of each country and the colors. So thank you guys for watching my video, and also I love my country. It's so great and wonderful to be in my country. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.